In this video, we will be going over the assembly and setup of the Infinity Genesis massage chair. The only tool required for assembly is an Allen wrench, which comes included with the chair along with all other required screws and parts. Once you have positioned your chair in a clear space, before starting the assembly, you'll want to bring the chair into the upright position. To do so, connect the chair's power cord to a power source and plug it into the respective port on the back side of the base of the chair. On the right side of the base of the chair, flip the red power switch to on. Then, plug the remote cord into the input jack located on the front right side of the chair's seat. Remove the leather cap and line up the divot on the remote jack to the divot on the port, plug in and hand tighten. Bring the chair into the upright position by pressing the red power button on the remote, once to turn the remote on, then once more to bring the chair into resting position. Next, you will be installing the arm sections of the chair. In order to do so, first, locate and connect the 3 armrest air hoses to the air tubes on the side of the chair. Connect each according to their specific numbers labeled on both the hoses and their corresponding tubes. Then, ensuring that the air hoses are out of the way, place the arm onto the shelving on the side of the chair. Keeping the arm piece at an angle, ease it into the connection brackets. Next, peel up on the shoulder section of the backrest to locate a Velcroed flap underneath. Open the flap and using the provided Allen wrench, tighten a long silver bolt with a silver washer into the screw hole. And then place the Velcro back. Next, tighten a short black bolt with a black washer into the screw hole on the inside of the lower front part of the chair. Repeat this process for the other arm. In the final step, you will be attaching the footrest to the body of the chair. First, ensuring the clip side is facing up, connect the white clip from the footrest to the port on the chair until it snaps. Then, connect the larger white plug, also ensuring that the thumb release is facing up, and push in until it snaps. Next, slide the air hose onto the white connection tube. If already on the chair, remove the 2 metal clips on the pins on the inside of the arm underneath the seat cushion. If they are not already on the pins, locate them in the bag of parts. Then, one side at a time, lift up the leg rest and slide the brackets onto the pins on the housing of the chair. Take the clips and tighten them onto the pins on both sides. Zipper the footrest flap to the zipper on the bottom of the seat cushion. You have now completed the assembly of your new Infinity Genesis massage chair. In order to ensure everything is working properly, run the chair through a cycle, like the extension program. Check that all of the airbags are fully inflating and that the massage roller track is functioning correctly. If everything is running smoothly, you are good to go and ready to unlimit your wellness. Enjoy, and thank you for joining the Infinity family.